Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Urant U11 wireless repeater using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the repeater into a working wall socket near the router. Wait for the power LED to become solid, may take 10 to 30 seconds. This tells you the unit has finished booting. If the power LED blinks or never becomes steady, try another outlet. Avoid surge strips for initial setup. Now ensure your main Wi-Fi router supports WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup. WPS buttons are typically marked as WPS or with an icon like two arrows forming a circle. WPS should be enabled in the router settings. If not, check your router's user manual. Press the WPS button on your main router. The WPS LED on the router should start blinking, indicating it's ready to connect. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS, go to the Urant U11 and press its WPS button. Some models require a short press, 1 to 2 seconds, others a press and hold, 3 to 5 seconds. Try a firm press for 2 to 3 seconds first. Watch the repeater's WPS/signal LED, it should start blinking to indicate it's attempting to pair. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the signal or Wi-Fi LED should turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Your repeater will now automatically extend your router's Wi-Fi network. You'll see a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, like your network name _EXT or your network name 5G _EXT. Once setup is done, unplug the repeater and move it halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Your Urant U11 repeater is now successfully connected via WPS and ready to boost your Wi-Fi signal in both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz bands. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.